Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited for today's video. I have my cute Christmas coffee mug and it's comforting having a Christmas mug a day like today. I just left my 4-year-old in preschool for the very first time, and y'all, I am not okay. I was in tears, but he did so good. Leaving your child in school for the first time, it's just nobody prepares you for it. All right, so today I have a very exciting video. I will be showing you my formula to actually fill out your planner pages. Are you ready? It's nothing too crazy, just 3 words. Don't overthink it. So at the beginning of the year, I started out strong and then I was stuck in the biggest planner rut ever. I was stuck. I had no idea what to do in my planner, what I wanted in my planner, so I decided to not use it. Sound familiar? And then I was like, maybe my best option is getting a new planner. You know the feel when you get a new planner, all the dopamine of just buying something new and getting it and then it wears down. Yeah, only to realize that I did not use that one either. That's when I realized the more I tried to make it perfect, the less I actually used it. So the problem wasn't the planner. I was the problem. So I decided to go back to the planner I originally purchased and start to figure out my planner style all over again. So here's my formula. Decorate just enough to make it fun, but not overwhelming. Hey, and if you want to do overwhelming, you do you. It's okay. I find that a lot of my favorite spreads are the ones that are messy, scratched up. I love those because it looks like I use my planner and my planner has been loved. And those are actually my favorite planners from other creators or planner gals. The planners that are filled and messy because you are actually getting out of the planner what you need. And I learned that and it's been working great for me. And applause that you'll get out of it is getting a nice chunky planner. So satisfying, y'all. So my other formula is just write the first thing that comes to mind. No second guessing, just write it down. So here I'm showing you a few ideas. There was a day I got a journaling prompt from the Coffee Monsters Co. In here I swatched some new markers. I wrote about TikTok being banned. And a lot of my favorite spreads are these, the ones from my kids where they do drawings and I get them, or when I get cookies and I get a little piece of the paper. I love looking back at my planner and seeing everything that I wrote, how I was feeling, what I was reading. Just write it down, no second guessing. So now I remember I had donuts in February and what I did for Valentine's Day and how I was trying to test my drawing skills and they're still not good at all. I love looking back at my planners and seeing this. But also remember to leave room for real life. White space is your friend. It's okay. I was thinking of going back to that page and writing something and decided not to. But in here I decided to write a Harry Potter picture or write lyrics to a song or just put stickers down. But having a white page, it's okay. When you let go of the idea of perfection, your planner becomes what's meant to be, a tool that works for you. So comment down below, tell me how you've been using your planner. I'd love to hear what you have to say. So remember, don't overthink it, just decorate a little and leave room for real life. Try this formula in your planner and see how freeing it is. I would love to see your planner pages. You can follow me on Instagram and tag me. I would love to see them. Thank you all for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and also I'll see you really soon for another one. Bye, y'all.